They say necessity is the mother of all invention. From the house that brought you the bestsellers, not once, but twice. We get it. When superior design was a necessity, Xiaomi set a new standard for grooming. When convenience became the need of the hour, we innovated at scale. We don't just stay ahead of the curve, we make the curve. Now, the time has come to take a leap and change the way we see grooming from a single blade to an arsenal of blades, each designed for a unique need. We realized modern problems demand a modern solution. Presenting the new Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro, because grooming is so much more. It's about feeling great from head to toe. If you're looking for a modern solution to a modern problem, the Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro is the answer. With multiple grooming heads for beard, hair, body, nose, and ear. So you can forget the cuts and nicks and focus on care that feels great. The U-shaped blade for your beard and hair is complemented with 4 detachable combs, powered with multiple length settings on a smooth rotary dial. Easy, efficient and effortless. The new Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro is designed for hassle-free handling. Wait a minute. The whole trimmer? That's cool stuff. And guess what else? You can also shape your look. For those sharp cuts and clean edges, the special precision blade helps you shape your personality, giving you the ultimate control to styling as you please. Perhaps we trim the hair too? Perfect. That was quick. The thing about grooming is that it's all about preference. The body grooming blade is gentle on the skin and just as powerful with every stroke. And for the finishing touch, we have the nose and ear grooming blade. The Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro also comes with universal Type-C charging. Well, charge it like your smartphone. It also has an LED battery display with a 90 minutes runtime. What's better, it also comes with a travel lock feature, and it's got the looks too. Often the solution to a modern problem demands a new perspective that elevates the grooming experience like never before. It's also great value for money at a launch price of Rs 2499 and a pre-order price of Rs 2199 on me.com from 7th September before open sale. The all-new Xiaomi Grooming Kit Pro. Modern problems, modern solution.